Hello, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I have an ASMR video of leftover drills. I am going to pour my leftover drills in my ornaments. You guys know the drills. You know the drill of the drills. So I'm going to switch cameras so that you can just listen to me pouring drills, spilling drills, and maybe vacuuming drills. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. Okay. Let's bring that down. There you go. Okay. All right. So, you guys know I have a dark ornament and a bright colored ornament. And we don't need that mouse over here. So, I'm going to work with these. I don't need this either. So, we're just going to do this. And we're going to go a little at a time. And you get to hear my neighbor. I thought he was done. He is not done. Oh. So much for this being an ASMR video. Well, I mean, it is. But you really can't hear pouring drills. No. Funny. I really thought he was done because the sound moved away. He's been at it probably 25 minutes now. All right. It's not like I can restart this video. I've already poured some. You guys will have to let me know in the comments if you found the yard equipment bothersome or if it wasn't too bad. You'll have to let me know. So, yeah. So this is probably just an ASMR video of my neighbor doing yard work. Because I really thought he was done. He was just, I guess, I don't know what he was doing. Lovely, lovely, lovely. me know in the comments if the yard equipment just did not do it for you. He really sounded like he was done, but I guess he wasn't. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I hope this was a good little break from, I don't know, from listening to true crime. I don't know. All right, everybody. Thank you, and be kind.